Welcome to the best picks. The best Tart Wax is probably one of the most versatile and popular waxes used for making wax melts, offering a fantastic fragrance throw and an even, smooth melt pool, perfect for filling your home with delightful scents. In this video, we will explore what makes Tart Wax stand out from other waxes, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your next homemade wax melt project, and also provide you with some tips and tricks on how to use it. Number 5. Hearts and Crafts Soy Candle Kit. It offers a smooth, even burn, perfect for creating long-lasting candles with a beautiful finish and a strong scent. Everything you need is included: wax flakes, pre-waxed wicks, and centering devices. Get started on your DIY projects right away. Simply melt it at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and add your favorite fragrances or dyes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for effortless pouring and a perfect finish. Create custom candles for relaxation, home decor, or simply to enjoy. It works well with various containers and molds. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, it's perfect for making jar candles, tea lights, and more. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started making wax melts at home. It includes soy wax flakes, wicks, and even wick holders, so you don't need to buy anything else. If you are a beginner or looking for a convenient option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Natural soy wax is an excellent choice for candle making. It is derived from soybean oil, making it a renewable and environmentally friendly option. Soy wax produces minimal soot and smoke, ensuring a clean and healthy atmosphere. Soy wax has a great scent throw, meaning it can disperse fragrance oils effectively and fill your space with a delightful aroma. Number 4. BWI Candle Making Kit. Let's get started with everything you need to make your own candles. It's all here in one convenient kit. This kit includes a durable stainless steel pouring pot and hot plate, built to last. The soy wax is all natural and safe to use. The electric hot plate has 5 heating settings for precise temperature control, making candle making simple and safe. An indicator light lets you know when it's on. The pouring pot's design prevents dripping, ensuring clean and controlled wax pouring every time. It holds a generous amount of melted wax. You may notice a small amount of smoke the first time you use it due to a protective film. This is normal and harmless. Always use caution when working with hot wax and a heating plate. Never touch the hot plate directly, use the top of the unit to check the temperature. Everything is included: pouring pot, hot plate, soy wax, wicks, and more. You're ready to start creating beautiful candles. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied, we offer a free replacement or a full refund. What we like? This kit comes with an electric hot plate and a stainless steel melting pot, making melting wax easier and safer. The hot plate has multiple temperature settings, so you can precisely control the melting process. If you value convenience and precise temperature control, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. This product works well. It gets extremely hot and quick. The heater had the wax in the pot melted in a very short time. Easy to pour with no dripping into your jar. The pot holds 32 ounces 900 milliliters of wax. I used soy wax. I got into candle making recently. This is an inexpensive way to get into the hobby or business. It comes with everything you need, including wicks, wick stickers, a thermometer, a mixing spoon, really good wick centering tools, and 2 pounds of wax. Number 3. BWI Paraffin Wax Pastilles. It's a premium, high-melt wax that's incredibly versatile. You can use it for waterproofing, lubricating, canning, or candle making. The possibilities are endless. This 10-pound pack of paraffin wax pastilles is perfect for a variety of uses. From candle making to food coatings, wood care, and even therapeutic applications, it's incredibly adaptable. Melting it is simple. It melts at approximately 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The flexibility allows you to control the adhesion and thickness of your wax coating. With over 45 years of experience, we deliver consistent, premium quality waxes. We meet the needs of individuals, businesses, and large-scale industries. For over 4 decades, we've been experts in wax. We offer a wide variety of wax products and services, including custom solutions and toll manufacturing. You can trust us for all your wax needs. What we like? This paraffin wax has a high melt point, making it ideal for various applications. It's also very versatile and comes in a large 10 pounds pack, offering great value. If you need a large quantity of wax for multiple projects or prefer a high melt wax, this is the one for you. What people say. Great shredded paraffin wax, higher melting point. The photo shows the best of my first product. I make my candles for my own use. The color in the photo is a very close approximation of the real-life color. I've had my wax for only a week, but I am very happy with it. I use white, unscented vigil candles, and these come out perfect. It's a decent white for my purposes, although some might want to add a small amount of white dye for designer candles. My wax came as little pastilles, no chunks to break up. The bag inside the box is a very heavy plastic secured with a tight, heavy twist tie. Odor-free in all 3 stages, in the bag, melted, and in the final product. This wax melts evenly. Throws a fragrance good. Very cost-effective. Number 2. Blended Waxes Paraffin Wax. This premium wax is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for waterproofing, lubricating, canning, and of course, candle making. Our paraffin wax pastilles have many uses. From candles and food coatings to wood care and therapeutic applications, it's incredibly useful. It melts easily at around 127 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you great flexibility for your project. Adjust the thickness for your desired adhesion. This low-melt paraffin wax is perfect for container candles. Its flexibility and melting point make it a great choice. Blended Waxes Incorporated has over 45 years of experience creating high-quality waxes. We meet the needs of individuals, businesses, and industries. For over 4 decades, we've been providing a wide variety of wax products and services. We even offer custom-made products and toll manufacturing. What we like. This low-melt paraffin wax is perfect for container candles, as its lower melting point makes it easier to work with. It's also very flexible and can be used for various applications. If you're making container candles and want a wax that's easy to use, this is a great option. What people say. The wax melts evenly and consistently. It comes as small chips, which is a lot easier to melt exactly how much you want versus bars of wax. Melts very well and the wax pellets are easy to measure. Very good product. I can make several models of candles. Number 1. Blended Waxes Paraffin Wax. This versatile paraffin wax is perfect for various uses, from candle making to waterproofing. It's rigorously tested to ensure the highest quality. These wax pastilles are easily molded to fit your needs. Whether you're making candles or sealing jars, it adapts to your project. It melts easily around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for simple handling and achieving the perfect consistency for your application. Safe for home and industrial use. With over 45 years of experience, we deliver consistent, premium waxes. Our products meet the needs of various applications. For over 4 decades, we've developed a deep understanding of wax. We offer a wide variety of products and services, including custom solutions. What we like. This unscented paraffin wax is perfect for a wide range of projects, from candles to waterproofing. Its low melting point makes it easy to work with, and the unscented nature allows for easy customization. If you need a versatile, easy-to-use wax for multiple projects, this is the best choice. What people say. Melts nicely and makes good candles. This works well for me as I make fire starters for my wood-burning stove. It melts easily and works great for my needs. These are little pellets of wax. Melts fast and fills container. Only have to level off once. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.